Hi everybody, I'm John the Mortgage Guy. One of the largest parts of my job as a loan originator here in the state of Florida is explaining to people exactly how they go about qualifying for a home mortgage. There's plenty of resources online about how to calculate a payment, what PMI is, what it means when they say it's fully amortized, but nothing that really clearly explains how to qualify for a mortgage in the first place. So in this video series, I'm going to go through the big three determining factors in how to qualify for a home mortgage. So from the perspective of an industry insider, there are three main factors that determine whether or not you are going to qualify for a home mortgage. They are cash, credit, and debt to income ratio. We'll break those down next. So we're talking about cash. In a mortgage, cash falls into two categories: your down payment and your closing costs. Everybody knows about the down payment, but the closing costs, at least here in the state of Florida, can generally be estimated about 2 to 3% of your purchase price. Next up is credit. So credit is the single largest determiner of what your interest rate is going to be. As a rule of thumb, the higher the credit score, the lower the interest rate. Debt to income ratio. This one is important because it is going to take the sum total of all of your debts, divide by your income, and that percentage determines what payment you can qualify for. So if you have a $500 a month mortgage payment and you make $1,000 a month, you're at a 50% debt to income ratio. Now, there's a little bit of nuance here because debt to income is split into two categories. There's your housing expense ratio and your total debt ratio. The housing expense ratio on conventional loans can only go up to about 43%. The total debt ratio can usually go up to 50%. On FHA loans and VA loans, you can go a little higher, usually about 46% on the housing ratio and 55% on the total debt ratio. Keep an eye out for our upcoming videos where we'll go through each of the big three and break them down in detail. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment any questions you have below.